love won't survive. Promises will turn into lies. The world just thinks love comes and passes through. It never lasts pure and true. But I still believe love can last. It's your unfailing love that gives me rest. You were there when I needed you most. I'll never walk all alone. On the cross you died and took away my curse. Love so wondrous no one ever could deserve. Your bleeding hands proved your love unreserved. You're my greatest joy and treasure on the earth. Make my life a fragrant offering, I pray. Help me, Lord, to serve you true.